Okay, hi all. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning. So today, welcome to another ad hoc session. So in this session, I'll be discussing and my voice is audible properly.
Yes, Tanvir.
Okay, good. So today, and I have a strictly 30 minutes only, guys. I'm very sorry for that. So maybe we will schedule another session if you have any other question. So in this session, we will discuss about window function and how they behave with group by. And same question I have posted on my LinkedIn. I think yesterday or day before yesterday, I have posted this. So I will try to make you understand from this example. Hope my screen is visible, right? You can see this Oracle Life SQL, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. So I will try to explain you from this. And I'm proceeding further with the understanding that you all know the basics of rank and dense rank, right? Okay. So here I have this student table. Let me show you the structure of this. I think Murthy has asked. So we have Murthy on call today. Murthy, you are there?
Yes, Tanvir, I am there.
You are there. Okay, fine, fine. So, okay. So this is our student table. I've taken very simple example. Then I will explain you that what is the signal, what is the significance. Like if you have group by in window function, then how it will impact the output or how the window function will behave when you have the group by.
Tanvir, you are not audible. Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible, but Tanvir is gone. If he's speaking something, we are not able to hear.
Not able to hear. Yeah.
Yes, yes. I'll just message him. We are not able to.
So how is it now? I'm audible now.
Yes,
Yes,
Subhanallah.
Tanvir. You are audible.
Okay, I'm not sure what is happening with this headphone. Okay, very irritating. Okay, fine. So hope I'm audible now, right? So I was telling that we have this student table, and this is the data. Okay, and this is the query I have written. So first of all, I will try to make you understand the the simple behavior of rank and benchmark, which I believe you all know, right? So still I will cover it. So this is the query. My screen is visible now.
Yes, Tanvir, it's visible.
Okay, okay. I will check my headset. I think there is some issue automatically get connected and disconnected. Okay, so this is the output. You know that how rank behaves. The rank is 1, 2, 2, 4. The marks 25, 80, 80, 90. So you know when there is a duplicate, after that rank is skips. Such as skip 3 and jump to 4, and dense rank, you know, like it doesn't skips. This is 1, 2, 2, 3. So hope this is clear to everyone.
Yes, Tanvir.
This you all know, right? Nothing new here, correct? Okay. This is the normal behavior of rank and dense rank, how they behave when we have duplicate. This is clear. Now suppose here, let me remove this dense rank now, okay? And let me write one thing. Select, marks from the student group by marks. Can you tell me the output of this query?
It will
75, 80, 90.
80-90.
Okay, you know that group by will create unique buckets and you will get the unique IDs 75, 80, and 90. Okay, so you're getting the unique values, or we also know that group by has inbuilt distinct functionality. So although you have two records of 80, but still you could see only one record, right? It is because group by creates unique buckets, and this is the output. Hope it is clear so far.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, now I will. So first of all, I have shown you separately the behavior of rank. You all know this. Then I have shown you group by this as well. You all know. Recording is in progress now. Let me check once. Recording is in progress. Okay. Now what I will do in this query here, I will add here from student group by marks. Okay. Now let me remove this student ID first of all. And then I will show you all those things one by one. And if you have any question, then you can ask. Okay. Now I'm running this query. This is very interesting, but nothing new you will learn from this. Means whatever I have taught, it is just a revision of it. So I'm executing it. Okay. Now check the output. This is the output of this query. Now let's try to understand. In this case, the case 1, I have not used group by, right? And this was the output of your rank function. Case 2, I have used group by, same table, same rank function, same order by condition, no difference, nothing. Is this rank same?
yes, but
Yes.
the rank for 90 is different when compared with the case 1.
I am asking whether the output are same for both the rank. What do you think?
No, no.
Depends
No.
on the
No.
condition.
Oh,
No, it is crystal clear. The output are different.
Sequence.
Here rank is different. Here rank is different, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Correct. Here you see, I have used the same table student, same rank function with the same order by, same rank with the function with the same order by. My only question is, I'm not asking reason, nothing I'm asking. My only question is the rank what the output you're getting for rank here, is the output same here? This is what I'm asking. Yes or no?
No, it is not same.
No, no.
Okay, it is not same, right? It means everything is same just because I've added this group by and the entire ranking has changed, right? You see here 80, it was 2. Okay, 80 is 2. Here 90 is 4. Here 90 is 3. And if I have multiple other records, I will show you that. You will see the ranking will change a lot. Okay. So far what we understood that in the window function, I will show you for dense rank, row number, whatever you want, I will show you. Okay. But first of all, try to understand the behavior, that how the rank will behave in presence of group by. So one thing is crystal clear that in this case too, when I have group by, the behavior of rank has, not the behavior I will tell, the output has changed. You all agree with this, correct?
Yes.
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 Okay, good. Now let's try to understand that why. Suppose we don't know, we are very new to SQL. So anyone will get confused that, oh my God, the query is same. Here it is 1, 2, 2, 4. Here it is Y 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's try to understand. Tell me the SQL order of execution. From, joins,
From,
on,
by,
where, then
Group.
group by,
Aggregation.
Aggregate.
Having.
Window.
Window. Select.
and last is all by.
Order.
Distinct.
Distinct.
Order by.
Limit.
limit. Okay. So this is the order of execution in all your batches. I have covered this. Means I know you all are from different batch. So you know that this has been covered in your batch. And multiple times I have told this. Okay. Now let's try to understand this query from this order of execution perspective. First of all, which keyword you will execute here?
From keyword.
From. Okay. So from student you have written. It means you want to take data from the student table. Okay. So this is your student table. Okay. From is over. Then
Group by.
Group by.
good. After from you have group by. Okay. So here you have group by. So group by marks. So what is the meaning of group by?
Unique buckets.
Yes,
Creating-
unique buckets.
Creating unique buckets. Tell me the buckets here.
90, 80, 75.
75, 80, 90.
75, 80, 90. You all agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
You will get these 3 buckets. See, okay, tell me one thing. So far, anything new I taught you?
No.
So far, whatever I taught you, all know this story. N number of times in your respective batches, I have covered this. So
Yes.
group by marks, it means it will create distinct bucket for all these values. Okay. Group by is over. Then
Windows functions.
window function. Okay. Now then engine will search for the window function. So yes, we have this window function here. Now listen very carefully. Okay. Now window function. What I taught you, from where to read the window function?
Order by marks.
Order by. I have
Order
taught
by.
you that you have to start it within parentheses, right? So you have to read first of all within parentheses. What is the meaning here? Order by marks. So you have to sort the marks in ascending order. But which marks, this group by or this parent table, which one?
Group by data.
The buckets.
Group by, if you remember in your respective batches, I have told you that when you have group by, you please remember it. I have told you in each and every batch that when you have group by, engine will not look into the parent table, it will refer the buckets. I'm not sure how many of you can recollect that, but this I have covered in each and every batch. That if you have group by,
Yes, sir.
engine will refer the buckets. So
sir.
now for ranking, engine will refer this buckets and not this original table. So rank over order by marks. So engine will think that, oh, this is the marks, this is the bucket. So it will sort it 75, then 80, then 90. But you will think that this is the marks. So engine should sort this one 75, 80, 80, 90. But no, it is because you have created buckets now. Now the buckets will take priority over the parent table. The same way, if you remember when I have taught you joins, that when the successive joins will come into picture, it will not refer the parent table, it will check the joining condition, it check the output of the previous joining condition. So similarly, it will consider this buckets of marks and it will sort it. Okay, then rank over, it means you have to give rank. So it will be 1, it will be 2, it will be 3. So that is why it will check the output here. It is 1, 2, 3. Is this clear? Or it
Yes,
is
sir.
working?
Yeah.
So,
Yes.
So far, any question? No new scenarios. I will not answer any new scenarios. First of all, whatever I taught so far, is this clear so far?
Yeah.
Sir, Abhishek here. One
Hmm.
little query. So
Mhm.
earlier when we created unique buckets, right? Because we have group by marks. So we have taken each and every bucket. So we have a column of 75, we have a column of 80, and we have a column of 90.
Mhm.
When it comes to the order by, because we need to start or we must start with the parenthesis, right? Means innermost query, order by marks. When we reached order by marks, it is, you know, ordering in a row wise, like 75, 80, 90. So the whole wide data become the tall data.
Oh, no, see. I do understand. You are telling that, Tanvi, this was like in column format, we have
Yes,
changed
yes,
this in row format. So
yes.
actually, engine will see that, okay, these are the marks. It
Okay.
will take it and it will convert this in the row format. That is not a concern here. That is internally engine knows. Okay, so it will just focus that, okay, these are the marks. Internally, it is not concerned with the presentation and orientation because this is something not we are going to display, right? So that is why it will take it from here and then it will sort it in this manner. Is this clear?
So if it is clear, but if we tell this to interviewer, right? So we can tell that it is an internal formation or internal work of an engine that it takes automatically, these wide data to tall data according to the group by condition. Means is this statement is correct? Means if we tell this to, because we will be just telling them, step by step as you have just explained. Because what I am doing is, in terms of my real time project also, if I want to explain it to my manager, I explain in the same way. So in interview also, if I just explain in the same way, if he asks like why it became the tall, wide data to tall data, right? So we can tell that it is a work of an engine that automatically it takes according to the order by marks condition.
Yes, you're correct.
Means we can leave it on engine part, like.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Fine. I have 12 more minutes. Yeah, please tell me.
So you said there are 3 buckets, right? So
Three
is it
buckets, yes.
ordering the buckets or the data within the bucket?
In this bucket, do you have anything as of now?
No.
No. So it will sort this buckets 75, 80, and 90, and it will consider this as a data only. Okay, and it will sort this 75, 80, and 90.
Okay.
Okay. Is
Hello,
this
sir.
clear? Yeah,
Hello,
yeah.
sir. Can you cover the frame clause today?
I have not completed this. Let me complete this
Okay.
first of all.
Oh, sorry.
I will come to that, but today not possible, Satyaki, and I appreciate you are waiting for a long time. So next class I will take that only, that frame, and
Okay.
then unbonded and other discussions. Okay. Okay. First, let me complete. This is not over. Just 20% I have taught so far. Okay. Shall I proceed further?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
Tanvi.
far clear? No. Okay. Okay. So what net we understood that if we have group by, the output of rank will be different. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay. But don't think that this is any exceptional scenario. This is any strange behavior. No. If someone knows the thing, how it is working, for them it is not strange. Nothing is strange. It is as it is. No, see, tell me one thing. Whatever I taught you so far, any new concept I taught you today? No new concept I've taught you today. Whatever I have taught earlier, that then the same thing, just I repeated here. That's all. Okay. Shall I proceed further?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Now then someone told me, or my manager told that, okay, fine, Tanvir, this is clear. So that's why be careful if you have group by and if you don't have. Okay. Now my manager told me that, Tanvir, okay, fine, you are displaying marks and you have shown rank, but can you show name as well? Now listen very carefully. What my manager is telling, that Tanvir, okay, you have shown here marks and the rank, right? Marks and the rank, but I want to display name as well here. I told, okay, fine, not a big deal. I'll write here name, because we know that if we have to display something, just add it in the name in the select clause, correct? Okay, so if I will run this query, let me run this. It is throwing error message. Why?
All columns
We need
present
to
in
add
the
group
select
by.
should be present in group.
Good, very good. Rule
By
number
Manoj.
one, all the columns which is present in select clause must be present in group by. But hope you all know the reason for that, right? I have discussed that in the class. So I will write here name comma marks. Now I'm executing this query. Oh, still it is throwing error message. Okay, let me try again. Oh my God, still it is throwing error message. Any idea? Name is there, marks is there. I'm trying to run this query. Still it is
In
throwing
the
error message.
in the rank function, I think we need to add a name also.
Oh, sorry, name I have not added here now. So suppose they're asking for the student ID. Sorry, name column itself is not there. The student ID. Okay. So I will keep the student ID here, and I'm trying to run this. What happened now? Okay, now you got the output, right? What name was not there? Okay, okay, got it. Yeah. Now you got the output. Now listen what I'm trying to tell. This is case 3. So then my manager told me that, Tanvir, I want ID as well. Or if you have name, maybe he's telling name as well. Now listen to this. Now, in this case, we have group by. Here as well, we have group by. Are the outputs same?
No.
No.
Output is not same. Okay. So I'm confused that why output is not same. No issues. Let's try to do the root cause analysis of this. So first of all, we will execute from a student. So where is the from student? This is your from student. Then what next? After this from student, what you will do? Group by student ID and marks. So when you will do group by student ID comma marks, tell me the buckets based on this combination.
1,
190,
190,
190. Second bucket,
280,
280.
380,
Third bucket, 380.
475.
Then 475. But I have a question. We know that group by creates unique buckets. So why you're repeating 80 here, Marks?
It is
Because
the
That's the
combination of group by.
combination of
Oh, okay. We are talking about combination. Okay. So you are telling this 280 and 380 are different combination. Is that what you're telling, guys?
Yes,
Correct.
Yeah.
Okay, good. So we have four buckets, 190, 280, 380, and 475. It is because group by creates unique buckets. And based on this combination, 280 and 380 are different combination, although they have same marks. Okay, fine. So these are the buckets. Group by task is over. Okay, what next? After group by, we have window function. Okay, so in window function, what you are doing? You are telling, first of all, sort order by marks. So first of all, you want to sort marks in ascending order. So let me sort the marks in ascending order. So we're having 75, this is for 4. Then we'll be having 80. This is for 2. Then we have 80, this is for 3. Then we have 90, this is for 1. Is this clear? Have we sorted the
Yes,
mark?
yes.
yes,
Order
Kumar.
by marks
Very
is
clear.
over. Then you want to apply rank. Okay, this is 1, this is 2. Oh, they both are same. So this is also 2. Oh, I am working on rank. So rank skips the sequence. So we will jump to 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 what?
4.
4.
4. But I have learned that rank skips the sequence. So why it will skip 3 only? Why should not
Only one
jump to 5?
duplicate. Only one duplicate.
Oh, okay.
only
There is
one is
only
Number of
ahead
one.
of it.
duplicates.
Okay. There is only one duplicate, so it will skip only one sequence. So it will jump to 4. That is what we're telling, right?
Yes. And
Okay,
the number will
so
also 4. That is the reason.
okay. Student ID, marks, and this is our rank. So that's why this is the output, which is same as this. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So again, just I added a student ID in group by, again, the output is different. Behavior has not changed. No, the behavior of rank is same. Don't think the rank has changed its behavior. No, it is same. The output is different because you are feeding different data to rank in different cases. In case 1, you're feeding all the marks. That's why this was the rank. In this case 2, group by marks, we are feeding only these 3 records. So rank has given only these 3. So you cannot blame rank that, oh, rank is behaving strange when we have group by. No. It's not the rank behaving strange. Rank is performing its normal task. Okay. But because in group by you're creating unique buckets, so you're feeding different records, and that's where the output is different. Now here again, same query, everything is same. Rank, you have not changed anything. It is because now you're creating buckets based on this combination. Now you're feeding different data, so rank will give different output. Hope it is clear. So far, is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir, one
Yes, yes, sir.
one
One
suggestion.
minute. Okay, tell me. Quickly tell me. I
One,
don't have
one,
much time.
one suggestion I want from you, like while taking your classes, I know that when we use group by, if we have 2 dimensions, so or whatever it is, we need to take combination of it, right? And now when you added student ID in the select column, means after select, I consume before taking your class that if we add student ID, it slices the data as per the student ID. Does this my thinking or my way correct, or should I always go with the combination?
No, it's sliced, that I agree. Okay, but the definition is this combination means you are actually when you're using group by student for marks, it means you are going at a more granular data.
Okay.
If I am showing here marks, it is
Yes,
not
it is
clear that
also
who has scored
granular.
marks, right? When I'm showing a student ID, so you're going at one more level, we are getting one more level, right? So you're
Yes.
going more granular here, right?
Correct.
That
correct.
is what known as grain of data. So here grain is student ID, here grain is marks.
Yes.
So maybe when you will attend session with your technical architect, he will tell that, okay, what is the grain of this data? Okay, we have to design our ER diagram based on this. That is what here the grain has changed. We are going in more detail.
Yes. So
Okay.
similarly, if we are talking about slicing, it is just a granular because slicing and right now data is also getting granular, right? So
See, slicing and dicing in that grain is a byproduct. Okay. If I'm
Yes.
doing, even I've taught you roll up. Okay, so output is same, just the orientation changes because you want to visualize the same data sometime from month perspective, sometime from department perspective, so that you can understand that how the business is performing. Anyway, so let me cover this first.
Yes,
So
sir.
hope it is clear so far.
Yes, Tanvir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Let me proceed further. Next scenario. Next scenario. So now we have this data. Now, so now listen very carefully. Okay, the world will change now. Student ID, student ID, just and whatever I am asking, try to give that answer on. Okay. So, is this query following rule number 1? All the columns which is present in select clause must be present in group
Yes.
by. Okay.
Yes.
Select
Yes.
clause you have it. Okay, okay. In select clause you have a student ID that is present in group by. But please, I am assuming that you all know the reason behind the rule 1. Okay, don't by heart it the rule number. But I have discussed in each and every batch what is the reason behind that. That should be clear. Okay, now rule 1 is working here. So I will try to run this query. Oh my God, what happened? This is throwing error message. Let me try again. Oh, it's still it is throwing error message. Let me do one thing. In this query, keep on observing what I'm doing. In this query, let's change this to marks and let's change this to marks. Oh, okay, now let me run this. Okay, now I'm getting output, but if it is student ID, I'm not getting output. Okay, okay, then let's do one more thing. In this query, let's do order by the student ID. Let's do order by the student ID. Now let's check the output. Oh my God, it is working here. The same query is working here and this is not working. Okay, so this query, suppose this is, okay, suppose this is query 1 and this is your query 2. So I'm a bit confused that when I executed this query, this is working perfectly. I'm getting the output. And when I'm executing this query, this is not working. This is throwing error message. And the difference between query 1 and query 2 is everything is same. Just here I've written order by student ID. Here I've written order by marks, right? And this query is not working. It is throwing error message. So let's try to understand. But before that, is the scenario clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, issue is clear. So here this query is working perfectly. Here it is not working. The only difference is in this query we have order by marks. Here we have a student ID. Okay, so we'll try to understand that why this query is throwing error message and it is in front of you. Okay, let's try to understand, and you all know the reason for this. So I want you to analyze this. Which keyword you will execute first?
From
From student.
From student. Okay, so let me take copy of this. So this is your student table. After this,
group by student
group
ID.
by student ID. So you will create buckets based on a student ID. Please tell me the buckets. 1,
3, 4.
2, 3, and 4, right? So we have this buckets. Okay, fine. So after this, group by is over. Then after group by, we have window function. Okay, in window function, what we have written? Order by marks. Okay, good.
Where is marks?
But there is
Oh,
no
where is
query.
marks?
There is no marks.
There is no marks because we know that once the group by will enter the movie, then all these things you don't have to bother. You have to consider group by. Now here the marks is not there, and you are telling window function to sort based on marks. So how it can sort it? How it can sort it? Tell me.
It can't.
It won't
It
start.
cannot sort, right? So that is why engine is throwing error. Okay, because you don't have marks. Now, in this query, I will write here comma marks, and I will give marks here as well. Now, I'm running the same query. Now check the output. What happened? Are you getting the output?
Yes.
Why? Because now you have created bucket based on student ID and marks. So marks is available. So you are telling sort based on a mark. So engine can sort it. Hope it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Clear. Sir.
Okay. Now you can ask question if you have any. Now the platform,
So,
now the
Tanvir,
world is yours.
No question.
will it be correct if I make a statement like order by feeds on only group by?
No. You cannot tell that. Actually, what is happening now? You can tell that when you have group by, okay, then all the successive conditions means after group by, whatever you have, they will sort data based on this group by data. Okay, they will work based on this. Now here you can tell that Tanvir, we are telling engine to sort on marks. No, marks is present. Then why it is not working? It is because in group by you have created this buckets on a student ID. So now the window function will refer this, not your parent table. Okay. Is this clear, Naveen?
Yes,
Means
Tanvir.
whatever there in group by, we will take it forward, right? The submission is also there. We can't go.
Yes. Okay, so I hope it is clear. Now you can try. See, my responsibility is to show you the path. Okay. Now from this you can frame a lot of scenarios. Now from this you try to check dense rank, you try to check a row number, whatever you want. The same concept will be there. So concept wise, this is the concept. But in interview, the interviewer can confuse you with this kind of things. So at one instance, suppose if someone doesn't know that internal working, and then the interviewer can confuse him with this output and this output, right? The output, and this is really very different, correct? Okay. So fine then, guys. Do you have any other question?
Sir, I have one doubt.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, if the same column is present in group by and order by,
Same column is
Then
present in
dense
group
rank,
by and order
rank.
by.
then sir, dense rank and row number will be same.
Same column in present in group by and order by. Oh, okay. You're coming to my LinkedIn question. Good. Okay. Good. Let me answer you what you have asked. Good analysis. So you have taken the summary, right? Good. So very good question Nan has asked. I will explain
repeat the
what.
question.
I will repeat it. I will repeat it what he's telling. I will repeat it. Before that, good question. And actually, this is what I have mentioned on my LinkedIn post. I will repeat the question what he has asked, but let me frame it first. Oh, Order by marks. Got it. Okay. So this is very normal rank, dense rank, and row number. And I think you all know this. So this is what we have. And what is the output of this? This is the output. Okay. You all know, no, how rank, dense rank, and row number works? Oh my God. चलो हाँ ठीक अरे बस हो गया 2 मिनट so this is the output of your rank, this is Jen's rank, and this is row number. First of all, before I proceed, you all are compatible with this rank, dense rank, and row number?
Yes, Tanvir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
You all know the output? Okay. If I'm asking you this question, that why the rank and dense rank output is different, I know you all know, but still, can you tell me why the output is different in one line?
Because of duplication.
Because of duplicate, right? You all agree?
Yes.
Right?
Mm.
Because of duplicate. Okay. So if I will tell you that in a table, if we don't have duplicate, then the output of rank, dense rank, and row number will always be.
Same.
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 You all agree?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, if you don't agree, maybe you can do that. You can practice it, create a table and give the same value for marks. Okay, and you will check that rank, dense rank, and row number will be the same. Because if there is no duplicate, rank will not escape the sequence and the values will be same, and that will be in line with row number. Now, the question is, in the same query, now if I will write group by marks, now I am executing this. Check the output.
Same. Unique bucket.
Now, let me completely check. So is the output same now?
Yes, Tanvir.
Yes.
Okay. Now what Nan was asking, Nan told that when we're in group by, if we have a column and the same column is present in order by, so do you think that rank, dense rank, and row number will always give the same output? Now this question, I am routing it to you guys. You think and tell me.
Yes, because grouping will avoid the duplicate values.
Very good.
Yes.
Very good,
I
Abhijit.
agree.
Peter. So group by always create unique buckets. Group by has inbuilt distinct functionality. So output of group by will always be unique. There'll be no duplicate. So once it doesn't have duplicate, so rank, dense rank, and row number will give the same output.
Because we will go ahead after group by output. So whatever they are in unique buckets, like the distinct
Yeah.
functionality we have, then it will.
Yeah. So same question recently I asked. So, but you know, like when you are doing a brainstorm session, let's see, one thing is just what teacher taught, you studied, you digested, and you are done for the day, you are enjoying your life. Second thing is like that, no, what teacher told, I want to do a little bit more research on this. I will change the data out, and we're given this data. Okay, let's change it. Let's add some duplicate. Okay, let's have the same duplicate. Okay, add some random number, then check the behavior. Then you will get a different flavor. And that segregates you from the crowd. Okay, so whatever you are studying, do similar kind of research. Those who are in Python batch, if you are observing, the same thing we are doing there as well. Yesterday I taught you list. I was showing you all the flavors. What if none is there? What is blank is there? What if empty is there? What if I'm adding one in list? Okay, and this helps actually when you progress with your career. This helps. Okay, so fine then, guys. Now I hope it is clear. You got an idea. So
Yes,
we
Tanvir.
will connect again. So now Satyaki has asked about 2 topics. So in the next session, I will take those topics, but I cannot commit any timelines now. But I will take one session on that. Okay, and others as well. Whatever
you,
you guys have told, I will take sessions. Okay.
Sir, I'm talking about
Ah.
index. So will you cover index by next week?
Next week, Amir, I cannot commit, yeah, because
Okay.
even I don't know when I will get what commitment. And if I will commit, then I will feel embarrassed if you are following me, if you're
Oh,
tracking me.
okay, okay.
So, but for sure, Amir, you and many of you have told me about index. I will take that session. You see, like today, I planned for 30 minutes. It has crossed, we reached 45 minutes. So it happens. But that is why if I will if I will start index, it will take more than 1 hour. Okay, so if I'm starting, I want to cover all the aspects of it. So fine then, keep on sharing the topics. And one more topic, yesterday someone told, I think Jayant told about joins. Jayant, you told, no, about joins, right?
Yeah, even the other also
Ah,
posted in the group. Yeah, when we have
someone,
more than 5 to 10
I
tables.
think Vaibhav also have, Vaibhav
Yeah,
is not there in
Vaibhav.
today's call. Vaibhav, yeah, Vaibhav also boosted. I will take one session on that as well. Okay, very interesting.
Yeah, Tanvir, one
Okay,
doubt.
Any
okay,
plans
yeah.
for
In-
date
In this
functions?
dense rank,
Eh,
order by can be pass multiple fields like marks, comma, student like that.
You can try it today. Try after
Okay.
class. Okay, try
Yeah.
it.
Yeah.
If it is not working, let me know. But you can give in order by multiple columns. You can give in order by this. If you remember, I taught you case statement.
Yes.
You can give that case as well. Play with that. Give that case and check the output.
Tanvir sir,
Okay.
Tanvir
So
sir.
1 minute. Oh, sorry. 1 minute. So if you remember 2-3 days back, I posted one question on LinkedIn, and that is a very beautiful question. Well, I'm telling it's a very beautiful question because in that question, you will see the application of case in select, application of case in group by, application of case in order by. Okay. So
Yeah.
when I started teaching order by, case in order by, many of the folks, they told that, oh, how it is possible to use case in order by? We have studied that case can be used in select only. But no, if you will practice that question, you will see that the case can be used in select, order by, group by as well. Maybe if time permits, I will pick that question and I will discuss in this one.
Yep. Sure. Thank you.
Okay, guys. Fine then.
Thank you
Tanvir,
very much.
any
Tanvir
plans?
sir,
Okay, so
Ah,
thank
yeah,
you,
yeah,
sir,
yeah.
so much.
one question.
No, sir. Yeah, Akhil. Who is
Sir,
studying? Akhil
Abhishek
was
here.
there.
So
Okay, Abhishek. Then.
yeah, so we have used over and then this. So order by rank, right? So there is one function called partition by. So if we use partition by and if we are using group by, both will work or it will
Both
show
will
error?
work. Give it a
Both.
try. Give it a try.
Okay.
Give it a try. Okay. Akhil, you were asking something.
Yeah, I was asking any plans for
Mhm.
the date function session? Last time.
Yeah, Akhil. It's pending for a long time. I will take it. Actually, date function, it has a lot of variations. Okay.
Yeah.
So I am a bit after that. I will not be able to complete in 1 or 2 class. So, but I will take that. Or if you have any specific scenario in that function which you want me to cover, you let me know. I will pick that.
Sure, Tanvir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Fine, guys. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you very
Thank you,
much.
sir.
Thank you
Thank
very
you.
much, Tanvir sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, Abhishek.
Take care.
Take care. Take care.